Here I have OnePlus Nord CE3, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Screen Recording. So by holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings, like you can record system sound, you can record microphone sound, you can change picture definition, you can change video frame rate, you can record front camera video, you can show screen touches, and you can select video coding format. So to start recording, just tap on this button once, and this kind of menu will appear here. So here you can also switch sound settings. So after tapping this red button, the recording starts immediately. So you can record our screen. As you can see here, you have this front camera view. You can also pause recording by tapping on this pause button, then you can play it again, and after you're done recording, tap on this tick icon and the recording will be saved to the gallery, to the album called Screenshots. And here it is. And from here you can send, favorite, edit, delete your recording, or perform other actions from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.